Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Grady Tech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and doing a quick hands-on review of the Realme Pad. By the way guys, I've already started posting videos in Telugu, so do check out our channel and subscribe to that as well. Link will be in the description. So here's the box. In India, Realme has launched this tablet in 3 variants. Base variant is priced at 14,000 rupees. It comes with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. It's the Wi-Fi only variant. Next variant is priced at 16,000 rupees. Comes with the same 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, but it has LTE support. And the final variant is priced at 18,000 rupees. It comes with 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, and also has LTE. So out of the 3 variants, obviously the 4GB RAM will be better, whether it's for long-term usage or for that additional 4G feature. Anyway, these are the 3 variants, and we have the base variant, that's the Wi-Fi only version, which comes with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. It comes in 2 colors, Real Gold and Real Grey. We have the Real Gold color. Now, as you might have already known, there are very few brands that are launching tablets, and Realme Tab is really one of the latest launched tablets in this dry market. With that said, the main highlights for this particular tablet would be its massive screen size. It comes with a 10.4-inch immersive display, bigger battery, decent specs, and most importantly, it actually comes with quad speakers. And that too at a starting price of 14,000 rupees. Besides that, it also has a pretty cool design and build, which I'll be talking about in a minute. So in the market, this is definitely one of the best tablets that you can get in this price. So without any further delays, let's first have the unboxing. Once again, here's the box. On the front, we have the preview of the pad itself. On the back side, we have some of the highlighting information, which we will be covering in the specs. Now let's unbox it. First, we have the Realme Pad itself. Next, we have some documentation, a SIM card ejector tool. Following that is an 18 watts charger. And once again, let me remind you, you'd get a fast charger even with the base variant. So that's pretty cool. Next, we get a USB Type-C charging cable. Now, once we remove the covers, this is how the Realme Pad looks on the front, and this is how it looks on the back. First, let's have a physical overview. On the back, this tablet comes with a metal panel, and it has a nice matte finish as well. So you really don't have to worry about smudges and fingerprints. At the top, we have the camera module, and at the bottom, we have the Realme branding. On the front, we have a massive display with equally proportional bezels. As for the bezel size, I'd say it's pretty decent considering the price. Now about the display, we have the front-facing camera along with some sensors. Now for the sides, on the top, we got the 2 speakers followed by the power button. On the right side, we got the volume buttons followed by 2 microphones and the SIM card tray. Now this is just the Wi-Fi variant, so it has just an SD card slot. But if you get the LTE variant, you'll have a nano SIM card slot along with a hybrid SD card slot. So once again, that's pretty cool. On the left side, it's completely plain. And finally at the bottom, we got the audio jack followed by the speaker grill, USB Type-C charging port, and another speaker grill. Now this tablet has quad speakers, 2 on the left and 2 on the right, with left and right channels. So whenever you're watching videos, you can definitely differentiate between the left and right tracks, and you can definitely get a much more immersive experience. Coming back to the tablet, this tablet has a thickness of 6.9 mm and weighs 440 grams. Considering the bigger screen size and the massive 7100 mAh battery, I'd say it's pretty decent. You can hold the tablet in a single hand without any issues. Tablet feels pretty sleek, and because of the overall design, especially those flat sides, it is very comfortable to hold the tablet. As for the weight, it doesn't feel too heavy. Now these are the complete specifications of this tablet. In the camera department, it has an 8-megapixel camera on the rear and an 8-megapixel camera on the front. It also has dual mics for noise cancellation, and it's supposed to be a perfect setup for video calls. As for the display, it is a 6.4-inch WUXGA+ display. You can think of it as Full HD++ resolution with 82.5% screen to body ratio. It's just an IPS panel, not an AMOLED. Still, it's a pretty good looking display. As for performance, it sports a MediaTek Helio G80 processor with Mali G52 GPU with up to 4GB of RAM and up to 64GB of storage, and we also got the expandable memory option. In the battery department, this tablet is powered by a 7100 mAh battery, supports fast charging, and also comes with an 18 watts quick charger inside the box. You can completely charge the tablet in about 3 to 4 hours. Finally, this tablet also comes with quad speakers with Dolby Atmos. Now this is how the tablet looks like once we turn it on and set it up. This is the home screen, here's the app drawer, notification panel, and this is the settings page. Now here's the about page. This tablet is running Android 11 right out of the box with the August 5th security patch. Out of that 32GB of space, we get about 23GB of space for our user apps and user data. Now back to the home screen once again. This is the app drawer. These are all the applications that come pre-installed. There isn't a lot of bloatware, but it does come with a lot of Google applications that you might not use. Now let's check the camera interface. Now this is the camera interface. By default, it takes you to the rear camera. We have the default photo mode. On the left, we have the video mode. On the right, we got the expert mode. We have a pretty similar interface even for the front camera. These are some sample shots. Now let's test the quad speakers. Here's a quick audio sample. So guys, as you have heard, they are super loud and they are definitely great for media consumption. If you're someone who loves to watch videos a lot on your tablet, then you'll really appreciate these speakers. Now these are all the sensors that this tablet comes with. It definitely lacks a fingerprint scanner, but it does have face unlock feature. In good lighting conditions, face unlock works really well, it's pretty fast and unlocks the tablet in less than a second. In low lighting conditions, it still works, but it takes about a second or two. In complete darkness, it's a hit or a miss. Overall, even though this tablet doesn't have a fingerprint scanner, it's definitely not a major issue. You can cope with it with the face unlock feature. By the way, I've already done the gaming review for this tablet. Gaming performance is pretty decent. You can definitely play games like PUBG. At high graphics settings, there is obviously a bit of lag, but if you bring down the graphics settings, you can have a pretty smooth gaming experience. For other smaller games, performance definitely won't be an issue. Now before I conclude, these are the benchmark scores. So guys, this is the new Realme Pad. For a starting price of 14,000 rupees, this is definitely a pretty good product. You're getting a massive screen with decent performance, bigger battery, fast charging, and most importantly, quad speakers, which you will really appreciate in the long run. So in the current market, if you're looking for a tablet around 15,000 rupees, I will definitely recommend you this tablet. But if possible, get the 4GB variant, not just for LTE, but for better long-term usage. So guys, what do you think about the new Realme Pad? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this tablet, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.